Morning everybody, this is Audrey the Travel Mama. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if this is your first time. In this video, I'm going to take you all along with me on my Hoya tours. Here is Hoya retusa. It hasn't grown much since I purchased earlier this year. I decided to repot it, so hopefully I can stimulate some new growth. This is Coroni Anna Silver. It has been in Leica bees for some time and loves it. I decided to pot it in this pot that my daughter got for me from Bilmer House. It doesn't have holes in the bottom, a perfect pot for horticulture. Here are all my Hoya cuttings. Some are ready to pot like this Australia's Lisa. Others are still too tiny for me to recognize what those are, so I'm going to wait. Here is Hoya Hiskeliana. It has been growing non-stop since I switched it into waterculture. I decided to keep it in waterculture in this pot that doesn't have a hole at the bottom. This is Hoya Crimson Princess. It has always been an easy one until recently. I kept it in its original pot that I got many years ago. Finally, it decided that the pot is too small and started to dry out quick and withered quick. I hope I caught it earlier and it will thrive again in the new environment outside. It does look much better after staying outside for 2 days in this new pot. I also cut out the green leaves from the Crimson Princess and put it into a bottle. Now I have a variegated princess and a non-variegated one. Now it is potting time for Bella cuttings. I do see a problem with rooting cuttings in sphagnum moss. It is impossible to separate moss from root. I really don't want to damage my roots any further than it already has, so I had to pot them like this. Ta-da! Here is my new Hoya Bella. They look so cute together in this pot. Can't wait for it to grow bigger and become a really big Hoya hanging basket. Next one is Hoya Abwala. It was a project that I did a long time ago. Now it is time to put all the cuttings and the mother plant together. I pot one cutting in a separate pot, and this one will go to my mom. I showed you guys the last time about the petungos on Hoya Shikirati. I just realized it has tons of petungos. As you can see, there's one right here. Come on, focus. Right here, as you can see. And there's another one right here. There's more. Let me show you right here. So this one definitely is gonna be a really good bloomers for me this summer. Here is Hoya compacta. It is so sad for me to show you guys how bad this plant is right now. Last time we potted, I put it into a very shallow clay pot. This plant just dried out so quick that I had to pot it again today. Hopefully this time I got it right. I also decided to put it under my growing light, so hopefully it will recover soon. Here is the end of today's video. I hope you all enjoy it. You have a fabulous day. Happy growing!